To get started with creating mind maps in Canva's free version, first sign up for a free account. You can do this easily using your email or social login. No design skills are required to use the platform. Next, search for Mind Map in Canva's template library. You'll find a wide selection of free designs, including radial and hierarchical layouts that you can choose from. Once you've chosen a template, add your central idea using a text box. Place it at the center of your mind map to represent the main topic you're exploring. Now branch out from the center by adding subtopics. Use Canva's text tools, free icons, and shapes to create branches that connect to your main idea. Enhance your mind map's clarity by adding colors to categorize different branches, incorporating relevant images from Canva's free library, and using connectors to link related ideas. Leverage Canva's AI suggestion tool by inputting your topic. The AI will automatically suggest branches, icons, and layouts to help populate your mind map quickly. For collaboration, share your mind map using a link and set edit permissions. This allows team members to work on it simultaneously in real time. Finally, download your completed mind map in high-resolution formats like PNG, PDF, or JPG. You can also share it directly to platforms such as Google Drive, Slack, or via email. Remember to keep your mind map simple and effective by aiming for 3 to 7 branches per node. This helps maintain clarity and focus. To create effective mind maps in Canva, consider these tips and trends. AI integration is a major trend, with Canva's AI tools reducing creation time by helping generate structures from text prompts. Templates now include sustainability and wellness themes, reflecting global trends like eco-friendly initiatives and mental health. Mind maps are increasingly used in hybrid learning and remote work, with mobile usage up 30% in 2025. Consider using Canva's multilingual support for global collaboration, allowing mind maps in 50-plus languages. Some examples include a high school teacher using mind maps for interactive lesson plans in a biology class, increasing engagement by 35%. A startup in San Francisco mapped out app features using AI prompts, resulting in 20% faster prototyping. A mental health advocate created a stress management mind map, inspiring community adaptations. Experts praise Canva for democratizing mind mapping. Productivity guru Tim Ferriss noted it's like having a design team in your pocket. UX designer Sarah Johnson highlighted collaboration features for real-time ideation. Educator Dr. Maria Gonzalez stated visual learning improves retention by 25%. Key statistics show 40% of free Canva users create mind maps monthly, and 65% of marketers use visual tools like mind maps for content planning.